Valentine's Day, also referred to as the Day of Love and named after Saint Valentino, one of the earliest martyrs for Christianity, is a day when everyone throughout the world celebrates love, including romantic love and affection between lovers. On this day, the girl usually show their love by sending Valentine cards, roses, chocolates, and some other special gift to the man they love. Previously, Valentine's Day, now February 14th every year, was a holiday only in North America and Europe, but today it is popular in most countries. Therefore, responding to Valentine's Day, our artisans did not hesitate to create the word Happy Valentine's Day as a meaningful gift to all women around the world. Let's watch the whole video to know what that meaningful gift is. There is a lot of information about the origin of Valentine's Day, and today we are gonna to tell you the most accepted theory. Valentine was a priest under the Roman Emperor Claudius II. At that time, in the 3rd century, the Roman Empire had to participate in many bloody wars and was not supported by the people. Because of the difficulty in getting young men to join the army, Claudius II suggested that the main reason was that Roman men did not want to leave their families or lovers, and that marriage only made men weak and soft. Therefore, Claudius II banned weddings or engagements in order to focus on wars. And then, the priest Valentine of Rome, together with Saint Marius, resisted the decree of the powerful emperor and continued to celebrate the wedding of a young couple in secret. When discovered, Valentine was arrested and sentenced to death, by dragging a stone. The evening before his execution, he sent the first Valentine's card to the daughter of the jailer Asterius, a young woman blind at birth who had been miraculously healed by him before, and signed down Vostro Valentino from your Valentine. Until now, couples still have a tradition of signing their names with the old phrase from your Valentine instead of their own names in Valentine cards. So, from this, gradually, February 14th every year became the day for exchange messages of love, and Saint Valentine became the patron saint of couples. People celebrate this day by sending other poems and giving each other the traditional gift of roses and chocolates. Each person will view this art in a unique way, but undoubtedly, it was born out of love and the desire to spread love to the other side. Let's take a second look at the complete piece to appreciate the creativity, attention to the detail, and skill of the artisans that made it. And what do you think about our aquarium? Please comment and subscribe to support and see our next videos. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye!